And doesn't that bring us to our eighth topic that we're covering here with Configure and Manage Storage? It's the storage hardware. So our first command is lsscsi. So if you want to list all of your SCSI devices on your system, you're going to use this command. Command syntax goes like this: lsscsi in square brackets option. So we can just run this utility and see what kind of screen we're going to see. So the first column that you'll see on the screen defines the address of the device in the system. Then the second column gives some information about the type of device. The last column specifies where to find the device file. Our second command is lsblk. lsblk is used to list details about blocked devices. So these blocked devices are basically files that represent devices connected to the computer. Now, most Linux distributions do not have the lsblk command pre-installed. Although it differs according to Linux distributions, a general command set for installing goes like this: sudo apt-get in parentheses yum install util-linux. So let's go on with a few examples. If you want to display block devices on your system, you can use lsblock. Or you may want to display the empty block devices. With others, you can use lsblk-a. Or if you want to display devices with size information, you can use lsblk-b. Or if you want to display information about the device owner, group, and mode of block devices, you could use lsblk-m. I want to tell you about another command which we're going to talk about here. It's blkid. So using the blockid command, you can view attributes of block devices that are on your system. It's just a quick way to find the type of block devices. If you want to display all the block devices that are on your system, you can use the blkid command. Or let's say you want to display all the blocks within I/O limits. You can use the blkid-i command set. Or let's say you want to display additional information. You could use the blkid-p command set. Or if you want to search for parameters, just use the blkid-l-t command set. So the -t option should also specify with -l. For example, blkid-l-t label equals /home. This is the command set for searching for the label parameter that has the value /home. Or if you want to format the blkid output, you could use the blkid-o command set. Now, by default, the -o uses the full format. Because of this, blkid and blkid-o full have similar outputs. For example, blkid-o list. This is the command set that will also display the mount point column. That's very helpful. Now, another command which we're going to talk about is fcstat. It displays the statistics gathered by the specified fiber channel device driver. So if you specify the device-specific statistics, these statistics display in addition to the device generic statistics. So here's the syntax of the command: fcstat in square brackets option device_name. And then if you specify no options, the fcstat command displays only the device generic statistics. So for an example, if the fcstat command is not connected to a specified device name, it does not connect to a network, and the -d option will open the device in the diagnostic mode to report statistics. Right, so let's have a look at some of those options of fcstat. And the first of them is -C, so it removes the delay in generating the output. The other is -D, it displays the statistics by opening the adapter in diagnostic mode. Then we've got another one, it's -E, so it's going to display all the statistics, which includes the device-specific statistics. And the last one would be -Z, so this is going to reset some of the statistics back to their initial values. So if you remember the syntax of FCStat, you will remember device name. Okay, so it's the name of the fiber channel device, for example, FCS0. If you want to display the statistics for fiber channel device driver FCS0, you can use the command set FCStat FCS0.